So the Edge API is a REST service that allows direct access to the RiskSpan Edge aggregation engine. So we have a graphical user interface which allows users to point and click and make queries into the engine itself. But the API allows for a user to write code that can ask the engine similar questions. But by removing the constraints of the user interface itself, users can be a lot more creative in what they send into the engine and really start to send in multiple queries and aggregate those responses to do more complex analysis. We have examples in Edge for Python, Excel, and R, but any programming language can invoke the API, so users can use whatever they're comfortable with. This also allows users to embed Edge into existing programs, so whatever the existing program is written in is fine too. Who should use it? Users who are looking to either embed Edge into programs or looking to do more complex analysis not supported in the UI.